So I believe Rhode Island Avenue was our last stop. For today. It's our last stop, and now we're about to be approaching Washington D.C. right now. We're about to be approaching Washington D.C. right now. So once we're there, we're going to be getting off that train. They're doing our construction here too. There's a bulldozer right there. There's the bridge there. There's the dog park right there. And now so we'll be approaching Washington D.C. in just about 3 minutes. So yeah. Yeah.
That's the Amtrak. That's the Amtrak here.
The Amtrak?
Yep.
That's the double-decker train.
Yep. And that's what you're looking for. That's what the Amtrak is.
Yep, that's the one. Yep, that's the NVAC train. The NVAC train. Right there. Yep, that's the one the same train I was looking up.
Look, there, that's the Amtrak right there. It's past you.
So that's the
Yep, that's the Virginia Railway Express right there. And the Virginia Railway Express is the type of double-decker train. Isn't that right, Leo? Yeah, that's the express track. Yeah, I just wished I went on it someday, don't you, Leo?
Yeah.
Yep, so we wish we could go on this train sometime. It would be a blast. A really big one. I'm not sure where we would take that train to. Probably to New York City or something, I believe. Or maybe another, or maybe to the airport, possibly. Yep. So once again, Matan Smasher, if you're watching this, you should go see the Washington Nationals and the Baltimore Orioles sometime with me. I'm sure it's fun. You'll like it. We're almost at Washington D.C. We're just in an unfamiliar city right here. Oh, we're in the tunnel right now. Ooh, spooky here, huh? I love this side. Yep, we're about in Washington, D.C. right now. I think that would be our stop here.
No, I think it's the next one.
I believe so, Leo.
Probably the one.